Dear students, in this lecture video, we studied about the linear sensitivity factors. Why we studied about the linear sensitivity factors? The problem of studying thousands of the possible outages which occurs in the power system, it becomes very difficult to solve if it is desired to present the results quickly. Actually, one of the easiest way to provide a quick calculation of possible overloads is to use linear sensitivity factors. These factors show the approximate change in the line flows for the changes in the generation on the network configuration, and it can be derived from the DC load flow. The linear sensitivity factors can be divided into two types. One is generation shift factors. The second one is line outage distribution factors. First, we studied about the generation shift factors. The generation shift factors are designated as, that means, A suffix Li, where L is the line index, I is the bus index. The definition of generation shift factors is A suffix Li is equal to the ratio of del FL to the del Pi, where del FL is nothing but the change in megawatt power flow on line L when a change in the generation at bus I. The del Pi is nothing but the change in generation at bus I. The del symbol for change, the P for is nothing but the generation, the I for the bus index. Similarly, in del FL, del for change, and then the F for that is the megawatt, that is the power flow, and then L is the line L. As per the definition, the change in generation is exactly compensated by an opposite change in the generation at the reference bus. All our generators remain fixed only. The generation shift factors represents the sensitivity on the power flow on line L to a change in the generation at bus I. I already told you L is the line index, the small I is the bus index. Suppose we wanted the study of outage for a large generating unit. It was assumed that all the generation lost would be made up by the reference generation. Now you see, if the generator was generating Pi not M megawatt, at it was lost. Now the change in the generation at bus I, del Pi equal to minus del P suffix I, then the power, that is the 0. Okay. So therefore the generator generate Pi not megawatt, it was lost. Then what is the change in the power generation at bus I, del Pi equal to minus Pi naught. Now the new power flow on each line L in the network calculated using pre-calculated set of A factors as follows. That is, the FL vector is equal to FL naught plus ALI del Pi, where L is nothing but 1 to capital L. The FL vector is nothing but the flow on line L after the generator on bus I failed. That is the after, that means occurring the fault, that is represented by FL vector. But the FL naught is nothing but the flow before the failure occurs. This is the difference between FL vector and the FL naught. The outage flow on each line can be compared to its limit. Those exceeding their limit flagged for alarm. This would be, that means tell the operations personnel that the loss of the generator on the bus I, the result is overload on the line L. The generation shift sensitivity factors are linear estimates of the change in the flow with a change in power at bus I. Therefore, the effects of the simultaneous changes on several generating buses can be calculated using a superposition only. For example, the loss of the generator on the bus I were compensated by the governor action on the machines throughout the interconnected power system. Frequently, one method used which is assumed that the remaining generator pick up in the proportion to their megawatt rating. Now, the proportion of the generation pick up from unit J, but the J is not equal to I. So, therefore, the gamma, the suffix J equal to Pj maximum divided by summation of K, but K is not equal to small I and then Pk maximum. In this formula, the Pk maximum is nothing but the maximum megawatt rating for the generator. The gamma Ji is nothing but the proportionality factor for pickup on generating unit J when the unit I falls. Okay, so the J, the small j as well as the I, that means both are represent, that means that is the generating unit, but the pickup on generating only represented by small I, and then the generated unit is nothing but the small I only. Okay, so therefore the J is not equal to I. To test for the flow on the line small l, what are the assumption is all the generators in the interconnection power system participate in making up the losses. That is, the FL vector is equal to FL naught plus ALI into del PI. The summation of J not equal to I, ALJ gamma JI into del PI. Previously we knew line flow this one. After that minus, that means the proportion of the generation pickup from unit J. Finally we are in getting this equation. Dear students, up to this, okay, up to the FL, that is the FL vector equal to FL naught plus ALI del PI minus summation of J not equal to I into ALJ comma JI del PI. Up to this, that is nothing but the generation shift sensitivity factors. How the question will ask means, explain the generation shift factors with the help of the flow chart. Means up to this you have to write down. This is the minimum, that is the 8 mark question, maximum 10 marks. So up to this you have to write and then you draw the flow chart. Later we see the flow chart. Okay. Then we studied about the distribution, that is the line outage distribution sensitivity factor. So no generation unit will actually get its maximum value. Okay. Therefore, the generation pickup algorithm took account of the generation limits only. The line outage distribution factors are used in the similar way of the generation shift sensitivity factors. Only they apply to the testing for the overload when the transmission circuits are late. Actually, what is the definition of line outage distribution factor, which is designated as D, the suffix LK. Okay, so therefore the L is the line and then K is nothing but the also line, but the before outage, that is the line is L, that is the after outage the line is K. So therefore the DLK is equal to del FL divided by F naught K. In this formula, the DLK is equal to line outage distribution factor when monitoring the line L, that is the pure outage, after an outage on the line, which is K. So the del F is nothing but the change in megawatt flow on the line L, not K. The F naught K is nothing but the original flow on the line K before it was outaged, and that means opened only, that is F naught K. Now you see the power on the line L and the line K. So the flow on the line L with line K determined by using D factors. That is FL vector equal to FL naught plus DLK into F naught K. In this formula, the FL naught and Fk naught is nothing but the pre-outage flows. That means before outage on line L and K respectively. But the FL vector is nothing but the flow on the line L with line K outage. Okay, that means the line K is the outage line, but the L line is nothing but the monitoring line only. So therefore the FL vector is nothing but the flow on the line L with line K outage only. So therefore by pre-calculating the line outage distribution factors, a very fast procedure can be set up to rest all the lines in the network for overload for the outage of a particular line. This procedure can be repeated for the outage of each line in turn, with overloads reported to the operations personnel in the form of the alarm message. Now you see, using the generator and the line outage procedures we already studied, and then the digital computer which is used to execute a contingency analysis study of the power system, we already seen in the flow chart. Here the line flow can be positive or negative, both also possible. We already that is mentioned in the flow chart. Later we can discuss the flow chart of linear sensitivity factors. Now you see the flow against minus FL maximum as well as FL maximum. FL maximum is the positive line flow. This is the minus FL maximum is nothing but the line flow is negative. The flow chart makes several assumptions. What is the first assumption is nothing but the generator output for each of the generator in the power system is available, and then the line flow for each transmission line in the network is also available. So this is the first assumption. Okay. Then what is the second assumption? This is the second assumption. The second assumption is nothing but the sensitivity factors have been calculated and stored that they are correct. That means the generation and the line flow megawatts are available, can be satisfied with the telemetry systems or with the power system state estimation techniques. The sensitivity factors are correct is valid as long as the transmission network has not undergone any significant switching operation that would change its structure only. So for this reason, the control systems which can be used sensitivity factors that means provision for updating the factors when the network is switched. This is the second assumption. The third assumption is nothing but all the generation pickup will be made on the reference bus only. Now you see the FL vector equal to FL naught plus ALI del PI summation of that is the minus summation of J not equal to I into ALJ gamma del J del PI only. So in the generation outage loop. Okay. Now we discuss about the flow chart of contingency analysis using linear sensitivity factors. Okay. So this is nothing but the checking of all the lines for the overload after the generator outage. This flowchart, this is nothing but the check all the lines for overload after line outage. So the left hand side flowchart, that means explain the generator outage, that is generator shift factors. The right hand side, this flowchart is nothing but the line outage distribution factor. Now you can see the flowchart. Start the program. Okay, the algorithm. Read the existing system conditions. Okay, now I is nothing but what? Bus index equal to 1. L is the line index, that is also equal to 1. Now the del pi equal to minus del pi naught. When the del pi equal to minus del pi naught, that means the generator generating pi naught, then that generation lost, then the change in the power generation del pi equal to minus del into pi naught only. Okay, then the FL vector equal to FL naught plus ALi into del pi, that is the FL vector, that is equal to FL naught that plus A suffix Li into del pi only. Okay, so the FL vector is nothing but what? That is this is the flow on the line L after outage only. But the FL naught is nothing but what? This is the line flow on the line L before outage only. Okay, the ALI is nothing but the generation shift factors. We know the formula del the ALI is equal to del FL divided by del PI. The PI is nothing but the change in the generation at bus I. Okay, after executing this, we can compare, that is the minus FL maximum less than or equal to FL less than or equal to FL maximum. Okay, so the minus FL maximum is the negative value of the line flow, less than or equal to the line flow, and then less than or equal to the FL maximum is the positive value of the maximum line flow values. Okay, if this taking is this condition is satisfied means, then check this is lost line. Suppose this condition is not satisfied means display alarm message. If lost line, this is not a lost line, because this is the L equal to 1, this is the first line. So this loop should be continued till the last line outage is checked. So therefore the line L is incremented by 1, that is L equal to L plus 1. If the last line means, then comes to this is the last generator, no, I equal to 1, that is the first generator, again is incremented. So therefore I equal to I plus 1. So therefore the loop, that means continuously executed, that means until the last line and the last generator reach. Okay, then after completing check all the lines of the overload after the generator outage, then the line K equal to 1, then we can come to checking the line outages. Okay, so up to the last generator, then K equal to 1. So up to this flow chart only for the explanation of generation shift sensitivity factors. Students, clearly you keep it in your mind. That means for example, the questions in the university examination are internal as well as the external. That means explain the generation shift factors with the help of the sensitivity factors with the flow chart. Mean you can draw this flow chart. You can write the formula up to the which one minus FL maximum less than or equal to FL less than or equal to FL max. That the equation, that's over. Then line outage distribution factors. Now you see the K is equal to 1. K also represent a line, and then L is equal to 1. Now L equal to K. If S means this is the last line. If S means again you check this is the last line. Then again last line means two line is there, L and then K. L is the monitoring line. The K is nothing but the after outage, now that line only K. If suppose L is not L if equal to K is not equal to K mean, then the FL vector equal to FL naught plus DLK into FK naught. That is FL vector is equal to FL naught plus DL the suffix K into FK naught. The FL vector is nothing but the line flow, okay, after outage, the monitoring line L with line K outage. The FL naught is nothing but the line flow before the outage of the line L, okay, line that is the L with K, and then the DLK is nothing but the line outage distribution factor. You can with the formula you can calculate. Then F naught K is nothing but the line flow before the outage of the line K only. So this is the formula. So we already derived. Then again we have to check the minus FL maximum less than or equal to FL less than or equal to FL maximum. If no means display alarm message. If yes means this is the last line. This is not a last line. Because L equal to 1. So therefore again the line is incremented. L equal to L plus 1. Again the loop continues. Okay. Suppose this is the last line of the L means again the check this is the last outage line K. No. K is equal to 1. So therefore the K incremented by 1. That is K is equal to K plus 1. This loop is continued. Okay. So the loop continued until, that is executed until the last line L and the last outage line K. Then only this flow chart, that means the contingency analysis using sensitivity procedure ended only. So dear students, okay, so this linear sensitivity factors under this topic, two questions came. The one is explain the generation shift factors with the help of flow chart. That is the one part. The another part is explain the line outage distribution factors with the help of flow chart. Okay. In the both and all, that means minimum 8 marks, maximum 10 marks. Okay. If combined together means 10 mark question only. Dear students, I hope that in this lecture video you clearly understood the concept of linear sensitivity factors. What are the types of linear sensitivity factors, and then the algorithm steps for the flow chart. Thank you student for watching this video.